So, some of you would be knowing what is the story behind this thing, behind this festival. But still, I would like to explain some things in short. It's like a synopsis of the complete story. There is an epic called Ramayana. We have two great epics. One is Mahabharata and second is Ramayana. So the main protagonist of Ramayana called Lord Rama, he was banished for 14 years. And his father had put some conditions before him, before providing him the crown of the land. So he said, no, you have to go in jungles and spend 14 years. After that, when you come back, you can have the throne. So during his stay of 14 years in jungle, he was in South India somewhere in jungles, and he lived with his younger brother and his wife. And the king of Sri Lanka called Ravana, whose physique this is.
The one on the left?
You can show them in the camera. Can you please show that?
So it's only the one on the left, not all three.
No. Who is in the middle? The person in the middle, he is the great demon called Ravana. He was very intellectual, but he was a demon. And he was also king of Sri Lanka at the same time.
Also, who's the one on the left?
They all are brothers of him. So he abducted the wife of Lord Rama, Sita, from jungles, and then in order to get his wife back, Lord Rama has to fight a great war with him. And then the main problem before Lord Rama was how to cross the ocean. So he worshipped the god of ocean 3 days, continuously 3 days, that can you please give me the way? I cannot.
God of ocean.
God of ocean, like
What's the name? What's the name?
I don't know the name of the god.
Neptune.
It may be anything. So he worshipped him for 3 days and requested him to give him way, but he said, okay. He's just about to hit the ocean, that okay. I hate it. So the god of the ocean emerged. The god of the ocean emerged from the ocean, from the water, and he said, okay, my lord, you are the incarnation, so how can I deny you of not giving you the way? You can make the bridge on your own. You just do one thing, gather your entire army and throw the stones into the water by writing your name on them, and then the stones will float on the water. So the monkey, what do you call it?
General?
Monkey army. They started throwing pebbles, the big stones, small stones, by after writing the name of God, Lord Rama, and they used to float, no matter how big they were. So thus they make a bridge, and then they attacked Lanka, and Lord Rama killed Ravana. So he was killed the same day. The day he was killed, whole India, they lit the lamps of oil. That's why we call it Dashera. He had 10 heads. They haven't shown all the 10 heads, but he had 10 heads, and he killed him. That's why we call it Dashera. Because 10 means thus in Hindi. Thus.
Dashera.
And thus, Dashera comes from thus. Dashera. So he was killed the same day. That's why, in order to, if you go in every part of India, we burn such kind of feces.
Is that why it's 10 days also?
Yeah, 10 days.
That makes a whole lot of sense.
And after some days, one important festival of Hindus will come, which is called Deepavali. And that day he had returned to his kingdom after completing the banishment of 14 years. So
That's Diwali when he comes
yeah, that's
back.
Diwali, the main important festival of Hindus.
And we'll get to see that too.
Any question? it's not part of orientation, so you can ask.
But this is the end of the whole 10
Yeah, we have
days,
good-
right? This is the end of the
Yeah,
story.
this is the end of Voltaire.
Yeah.
He was killed the same day.
And they also stopped eating meat during that time?
What?
Like some restaurants didn't serve meat anymore, right? What does
Well,
that have to
most
do?
of the people, they refrain to eat meat during these 10 days, even to drink and all.
But that doesn't explain it.
Well, even I actually go to gym, so I used to eat eggs every day, but the people who used to sell the eggs, they were not there on the streets. So I haven't personally eaten any egg for last 10 days. But maybe from tomorrow I will be able.